Privileged to be in Surf City, USA, beautiful Huntington Beach, California. A festive parade down Main Street with streets full of spectators and revelers enjoying the colors and pageantry of a parade full of floats from local groups and organizations.
I'm actually the parade leader. I actually walk with the lead banner, and this is my 23rd year in the parade.
And check out the outstanding handmade decorations on display to a 50-year resident of Huntington Beach who has a labor of love for the parade.
It gets busier and busier and more work every year, but it's more fun. We have 50 to 60 people every year, and a big potluck after the parade, and goodies during, and put out all the chairs ahead of time.
Rushmore behind me. I see the Liberty Bell in front of me. Are you the one who does all this?
Yes, they're all hand painted and designed, and my husband used to help cut them out, and all I do is whatever I have to myself. It's fun.
And I see a ribbon hanging on the front of the house. Can you explain what that is?
Most patriotic.
So you got the Most Patriotic Award.
Right.
And how many times have you won that?
Couple. I've won most of the categories over the years, but it's fun to have other people win them too, because there's some beautiful jobs down the street that did a magnificent job. So.
The melting pot of different cultures that make up the United States were on glorious display for all to enjoy on a beautiful day in Huntington Beach, California. I'm reporting from Main Street in Surf City, USA. Yep, it's Huntington Beach, California on the 4th of July. For Around and About Orange County News, I'm Mark Alexander.